In a major move that aims to bring ticketing reform and also to end the anxiety or the uncertainty, the Railway Ministry is exploring the possibility of finalizing the passenger chart 24 hours prior to the departure of the train. As of now, the chart is being prepared 4 hours before the departure of the train, but now the Railway Ministry is exploring to prepare this chart, to finalize the chart not just 4 or 10 but 24 hours prior to the departure of the train. Not just this, a senior or the top level railway official has confirmed and has informed that the trials has begun. The trials, it is ongoing in Bikaner division on couple of train, and based on the trials outcome, certain assessment will be done. If certain tweakings is required, that will be done, and then the Railway Ministry is looking to roll it out on a pan-India basis. So that's the major ticketing reform. But why this reform that Railways is looking at? So government understands that this will help to bring a lot of clarity to the passengers, especially those who travel a long distance to come to the station and then to take their train. For example, a passenger traveling from Mumbai to Pune or from Pune to Mumbai to catch a train. So once a chart is prepared 24 hours before the departure of the train, then the passenger will have a better clarity, and then they can, if the ticket is waitlisted, then they can make the alternate travel plans as well. So that's the larger goal that the Railway Ministry is looking at. From the ticketing perspective, if you see, the 84% of all the 100% ticketing that is done of this, 84% is done through IRCTC, or you can say it is online ticket. Rest is done through the window tickets. So the government understands that the rollout of this initiative won't be a major challenging problem. It will be, it can be easily achieved. As of now, the trials has begun, but that's the major reform that the ministry is looking at, that preparing or finalizing the chart, the passenger chart, 24 hours before the departure of the train.